Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about algebra and trigonometry. The topic that is about we need to prove about this equation. So now I want to show you how to answer. So tan x will multiply by tan x and cotang x. That is about distribute. Next, we have the formula in here. Cotang x equals to 1 over tan x. So I will put this one go in here. And this one we have number 1. And we know that this one equals to secant of s squared because tan s squared that is about sine s over cosine s, everything to the power of 2. Number 1 we can put into cosine s squared over cosine s squared. Now we have cosine s squared, we combine two fractions together. We know that this one equals to number 1. And this is the reason why we have this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.